Sunrise on Red Tractor. Let's do this. Yeah. He's on the Range Rover there. You can't see it, but I can. I already have Sunrise on that as well. This time I'll have Sunrise on Red Tractor today. Yeah, no, I think I've already done this before. I want to do this again, actually. Apparently, I think I want to do this again. Because I am. Yep. Yeah, this is the first ride first. Here's the first ride. Second ride. Let's get to know this. Oh, clean there. As well, if you could say. If anybody's wondering, this is the second ride. Third ride. Cold there. Guess I got a bit cold, guys. I do apologise. You don't know where you stopped. Ready? The fourth ride's going to start in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. It's the fourth ride. I'm gonna get on it. I'm gonna get on it. I try not. Get up. The lights don't flash sadly on this unit. They might flash. I don't know. So the motor's backwards for some reason. Put there. I know it's a big rock, but I can do that again first. Get fifth right. Get done the just moved it, see? See? He's moving again. Because I want to do them both move together. It's a little bit quiet around here, that's why. If you guys are wondering. You can't hear Dynamo Engine very well, but oh well. But this, right. We're done the register, so I'm gonna do the six rides. It's time for the six rides. There we go. Yeah, this is six rides if anybody's wondering. Yeah, I just want to move Dynamo. I just wanted to move Dynamo Jumbo, try to move it again, because I love it. That's why. Yeah, I don't know why the motor's moving backwards. They must have put that. They must have put the motor on front on purpose for some reason. See? I don't know why.
Having more tea.
Yeah.
I'm very disappointed. Very, very disappointed. What, darling?
Sit down there, Daddy, please.
Yeah, I might go around the other side, Peter.
Okay.
Alright, I'll be down the other side.
Right, get ready for the last ride. The last ride's going to start at about 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Final rides. It's time for the last ride. Your Dynamo just moved again, by the way. Yeah, the last time I've been here, this light did flash. And now it's not, sadly. Probably these weather days. I don't know. Don't know if the button works or not. You'll see what I mean when it moves backwards, see? Those wheels are supposed to be on there, not here. So they must have done it on purpose. Yeah, that was Samurais on Red Tractor.